Hi, my name is Vinay Patel. I am the operations manager at the Pump House, JP Nagar. So it all started from the time when Bangalore have seen its first water pump in 1896 in Hesarghatta. Since that time, I think the water pump has been in quenching the thirst for most of the microbreweries and Bangalore's citizens. So business have picked up pretty well from the time what we have started, barring the pandemic. I think that is an unprecedented time what the entire world have seen. But yes, barring that, the business have picked up pretty well, and JP Nagar is always been blooming with new restaurants, bars, pubs, and microbreweries. And I have joined this property as a standalone property with the reason that I pretty much like the vision of the owners, which was to bring the experience and to bridge the gap between a 5-star and a standalone.
Myself, my name is Aldrin Lepcha, and I'm working in Pump House from last 2.5 years around. So today I've prepared 2 in-house cocktails. So I'll start with the first one, smoking. This is smoking chai. So we basically prepare with the homemade chai cordial, which is made with all the Indian spices like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaf, we all use, and we made with the help of sugar and water along with that. So basically it is with the bourbon whiskey and then the chai cordial, and we also use a touch of pineapple juice. So this is a second method cocktail we pour in it, and this is we also use the smoke flavor to it. So this is the second cocktail which I prepare with the mix of white and dark rum equally, 30-30 each, and then this is we prepare with the sakura cherry nut syrup and orange juice along with this. So it's a very refreshing cocktail. We serve with crushed ice, will be chilled, and some mint spring and cherry on the top.
Hello and welcome to Pump House. I'm Satyam Asti. I'm a brewer here. Here we're gonna talk about what beer we have on tap. We have a 6 beer on tap. First, Belgian wheat. It's a Belgian style wheat beer where we get orange and coriander on nose. Second beer we have a German style wheat beer, Hefeweizen, where we get banana and clove. Third beer we have a red IPA, Amber style IPA. It's a bitter beer. And so fourth beer we have a Nitro Stout. It's a Nitro coffee stout where we get coffee on palate, and Nitro give you the silky and creamy head. Fifth beer, we have a Czech Republic Pilsner. We use a Saaz hops where you get hoppy character and very crispy and clear beer. Sixth beer, we have a German style smoked beer where we get bacon and smoke on palate and maltiness.
My My name is Saif Alok. I'm the chef of the Pump House. Today we introduce two our fast-growing and innovative dish is called Shanghai chicken and lemongrass smoked tikka. I'm short brief about the Shanghai chicken. This is called Shanghai chicken. It's made of a Shanghai sauce, which basically is the oyster sauce, Thai green chili, Thai red chili, rice vinegar, some ketchup, a little bit of brown sugar, garlic, ginger. It's like a slow cook, almost like 45 minutes slow cook sauce. Then after that we toss with a little bit of ginger, garlic, Thai red chili, dice of onion, dice of capsicum, different color like red, yellow and green capsicum. With that sauce, like 2 tablespoons of sauce and 6-8 pieces of chicken, like a nicely diced, like tender chicken with a little bit of deep fry the chicken, like on top part will be crunchy and juicy inside. That chicken will be tossed on that sauce, and we serve with, you can go for like a starter as well, you can go for like a fried rice or noodle accompaniments as well. It's depend upon how you prefer. Like it is goes with good with beer, you can go for cafe or wheat. It is the best combination I can suggest. And second, I can tell you this lemongrass smoked tikka, which is our one of the innovative and fusion smoked tikka. Is a tandoori chicken. It's like a chicken with tender chicken, like 12 hours marinated chicken with lemongrass, kaffir lime, yogurt, little of kitchen king masala, turmeric, and our chef special garam masala is we like 16 different kind of ingredients we choose, and we make our own garam masala in our base. We are not buying outside because we believe like some few ingredients which is really give you the nice aroma we get from different parts, like coriander, black pepper, green cardamom, black cardamom, star anise, all those things we buy for good qualities. Then we make some recipe wise, and we just make a garam masala and little bit touch of little bit garam masala and more of lemongrass and kaffir lime. It's like a 12 hours over marinated in the deep, just keep in the chiller. The next day we just take it out and cook it in the slow, like in the tandoor chula. It's like a clay oven. It is like a give you most of the aroma of the lemongrass, and is a juicy and tender. You can go ahead with different kind of beer, like you can go for Hafe, you can go for Tout, wheat also. It's good combination on that. And hope if you come to the Pump House, definitely just order those dishes and have a enjoy with your beer, this food.
So the concept and the theme about the restaurant is open space, natural lighting and high energy place. As well as there is not specific target customers. It's a people's place wherein there are families, millennials and elderly people who all are welcome. So it is a place which is been driven by the people. So therefore there is no specific genre or there is no specific target customers that we are aiming for.